Welcome back to the channel. It's another day, another dollar, another Mr. Major.
Sunbathing. Oh.
Still sun, yeah?
I love it. I love it. This is a 1975 BMW 1602.
Alright.
And it's in really good condition. It's been repainted.
Yeah.
I can't say when, but if I guess around about 90s, late 90s, 2000s. And I think it's been partly repainted, but it does match quite well around the body, and there's absolutely no rust, and these cars were really susceptible to rust back in the day. And you know, it's a 70s colour, so you've got the oranges and the browns and the yellows and the beiges.
Is this an original colour that's been repainted?
Original colour.
Oh, right.
It's the original BMW. I don't know the exact code for it. But the thing inside is, just have a look inside there. Just have a look, it's like new.
Gorgeous.
Interior wise, it's fantastic.
The seat's been redone as well?
No, they're all original.
All original?
Yeah.
That's BMW quality, my friend. BMW quality.
The interesting fact with this is the guy that bought it,
Yeah.
he wondered why in the back here we've got this psychedelic carpet.
Alright.
And this psychedelic carpet was, as the story goes, the guy who bought this originally was in a band.
Okay.
So he carried lots of big basses and trumpets and stuff like that. So he put this carpet all lined in the back so he wouldn't damage his instruments.
To protect his gear, mate.
Yep.
And we all know about that.
Well,
but
this is really nice.
Yeah. Adds a nice sort of feel to it, I guess.
Really nice.
But I've got to admit, I took the car up and down the road, and it does really drive well as well, yeah?
It drives really well. And everything in the engine bay is nice and neat and tidy.
Right. Yeah, it's looking good in there.
The car runs really well. Really well, considering it's nearly 50 years old soon.
Yeah. What kind of engine size are we talking here, though?
It's in the name really, 1602.
Oh, right, okay. There you
But
go.
it is actually something like a 1597.
Okay. But it's still lively, isn't it?
Yeah, it's I think around about 70, 80 horsepower.
Yeah.
So it's 100 miles an hour, 160 kilometers an hour top speed.
Yeah.
But it was like a big, you know, this had like disc brakes on the front,
Right.
Pearson's, suspension, coilovers and stuff like that. So it was, you know, built
Right.
back in the day to be that, like, you know,
Yeah.
BMW, that driver's car.
Yeah. It definitely is that. I can vouch for that. And so what's the story on this one then, Sean?
Yeah, this one's coming out in the auction again on I think the 4th of March. Let me see, 3rd of March, and then it goes out on the 16th of March.
16th, yeah.
So it's hard to find these ones in this condition. I really find them really good on the exterior, and then the seats are really worn, or the other way around. And this one's got best of both worlds because it's also really nice. I don't see any rust damages, and also the interior is like.
What kind of miles has it got on it?
On the clock I think it's like 47, so I guess it's gone around the clock at least once.
Right, okay.
At least once.
But it's still fresh though, isn't it? I mean, if you look at the seats and stuff, there's no wear on there, is there?
These were, I mean, not many cars had headrests. Even though we laugh about it now, because everyone's got a headrest. But back in the day, this was like, this was like a nice option to have it.
It's a nice little thing, mate. Right, so out on the auction on March the 4th till the 16th.
Yep. So grab yourself a Beamer.
A Beamer, lovely.